Hey guys, it's your girl Nadia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Guys, I have another story for you. Please click the like button, share the video with your family and friends, and let's get into the story. So Mark was a church dude. Mark loved this young girl in the church. And yeah, they were going on good and something, but the young girl had eye for someone else. The young girl told Mark that he can't work because I guess the young girl's personality and Mark's personality was just not meshing. So she break up with Mark and start talking to another guy. Mark take it to heart. Like when Mr. Mark take it to heart, Mark took it to heart. Mark left church. Mark made the girl making left church. Mark give up on God just like because of one woman. Like, yeah. So Mark come out of the church now. As Christian would say, Mark become Aurelian. Mark start drink, smoke, party, gamble, everything but they can think of. That was what Mark was doing. I guess Mark was just being rebellious or rebelling because of, the girl that he loved and the girl did him dirt and yeah. So Mark and his friends went to Amnesia nightclub in Ocho Rios one night, guys. And in the club they were there partying and having fun, drinking and all of that. And Mark look and see this, what he call nice looking white girl. Mark friend bet him because Mark was saying, yo, that girl look good and whatever. So his friends bet him and said, I bet I can go over there and get her number. So Mark said, I really mean you betting? So Mark went over there, do his little thing, whatever, got the girl's number and also got a dance. So the friends them was like, do the normal and all of that. So the girl was in Jamaica for 2 weeks. She came on a 2 weeks vacation. She and some other friends, right? Well, during the time when she was here after the club that night, she and Mark would go out every night, right? Mark and that girl would go out until it was time for her to go back to America now. Yep, so time came and she went back to America. Yep, she and Mark still converse over the phone and WhatsApp, the video call and all of that. So poor Mark never knows that the girl have plan, Guys. Mark never knew that the girl had planned. The girl wanted Mark to come to America because guess what? The girl had her mortgage to pay. Wanted a Jamaican man to come and work and pay the mortgage for her. So that was the reason why she come to Jamaica. Just look, man, to come pay her mortgage. Long story short, guys, so Mark ended up America now with the white girl. He went up on visiting visa for 2 weeks, but 2 weeks turned into 9 long years. Yep, so Mark was over there working, guys, and he thought things was going on good for him when he just started over there with the girl because he might get what him getting. So Mark enjoy thing and whatever, and white girl good like that. Girl was good like that, so Mark was enjoying himself left, right and center. So Mark over there doing working, guys, but Mark no legal. Alright, Mark was working with this other Jamaican dude. The Jamaican dude had a barber shop. No big job Mark work, but Mark still work some money. Anyways, what happened now, guys, is because Mark went over there and Mark was not legal. Mark couldn't get any job. So Mark have to just take what him can get. Mark went off for 2 weeks and Mark no come back, You understand? And white girl no want Mark come back, So the white girl promised Mark, say, oh, I'm going to marry to you and all that so you can get your stay and, we can, whatever. But she had no intention to marry to Mark. And Mark was the big head bud and realized the girl was bring him over there for him to work and pay her mortgage. All this time, guys, Mark have been working and the girl have been collecting and doing what she want to do with Mark money and something. But because Mark was getting it flushy, Mark never get it so good yet. Mind working as hard as he could for what he was getting in return. Mark never mind, guys. So guess what happened now, guys? One day, remember Mark work a long time and Mark not really I send back no money a to nobody, Anyway, so Mark go tell the girl, say, say my sister sick. I want to send one little money go. Give mommy to help her out. Me granny. Just see when Mark tell her that? Girl said, what? What are you talking about? Sister is sick? That's not your responsibility. I am your responsibility. So Mark said, Jillian, baby, it's my sister and my sister is sick. And mommy just want to go help, look make up, so she can put together and go to doctor. She's sick bad. Jillian said, that's not my responsibility. And Jillian was getting red. Remember, I said Jillian white already, so Jillian get red now. Jillian said, I'm no business about that. That's not my responsibility. Your responsibility is me. Me. And Julian put her foot down, say Mark now send no money come to Jamaica. Remember said Mark come up in a Jillian house, you know. Mark now live in a Jillian house. Mark no legal affair in. Mark have to listen to Jillian because Jillian did tell Mark say I'm going to marry to Mark. So Mark can get him papers them sort out. And Mark can become whatever when he sort out. Because now if he married and Mark legal, you know, Mark can do anything he want. But Julian never have no intention to marry to Mark. That was not her plan. She just wanted a bill payer. So guys, the next week when Mark got paid now, Mark tell his boss that the next Jamaican dude that he was working for, Mark tell him the situation. So listen, I don't want you give me all my money this week and I'm going to keep back something because my sister's sick. But Julian decides that I can't say nothing come to Jamaica. You know the situation already. I want to marry to the girl. If she not married to me, I can't get no stay and whatever. So the friend say, man, me know a thing, man. Me sort it out, right? So the friend take off a little money, send it. If not Mark send it, you know. The friend send it for Mark, you know. Guys, yes, when Mark come home, Julian know how much Mark get for pay, you know. Yes, when Mark come home the day, Julian just ask Mark for the paycheck. And when Mark couldn't present the amount of money Mark normally present to Julian, Julian start cuss. Julian said, okay, so now you have a girl? You have another girl giving money too? What did you do with the money? What did you do with the... And as such you go on. Mark no. Mark a Jamaican dude, you know. Mark say, what this man? Foreign or no foreign, stay or no stay, girl, you can't talk to me, so. And Julian was like, what? So Julian decided, say, alright, me now while you, I can call immigration on your backside. Julian had his friend, right? And his friend love Mark. But me say love Mark, this friend wish she was the one with Mark. So Julian did pinch her friend now and tell her, say, walk on, and that she's gonna call immigration on Mark. Julian's friend never want that happen to Mark because guess what? Julian's friend said, no, the guy don't deserve that. Because he said, no man, the guy come from Jamaica and come and work and I'll help you pay your mortgage. Because my friend, my best friend, said to tell your friend everything. No man, you can't do that. I wish I had a guy like Mark, right? The guy love you. He's up here and he's taking care of you. He's working, paying your mortgage, paying your bills, doing what he can do with the money that he's getting. And he's not sending nothing to his family in Jamaica. The one time he said he's going to send some money so his mom can take his sick sister to the hospital. You're flipping up? And the girl said, whose side are you taking? Whose side are you taking? You're my friend. You're supposed to be on my side. So she was saying, it's not a matter of side taking. It's a matter of just the truth, you know, the right thing. So she vexed and she questioned and she told her friend, she want her man or something. But yeah, her friend, they want the man for true. Mark was at work one day, never know what Julian have planned. The friend called Mark and tell Mark everything. Julian was waiting until Mark get the last paycheck to take it from Mark. And then that's when immigration would come and take the dude not have nothing to go back in the yard. You saw the girl wicked? Yeah, man. Even though she had a plan to get Mark deported, Mark had a plan to book a flight back to Jamaica before he get deported. So you see when the friend tell Mark what's going on, Mark and the guy that he's working with, and the other Jamaican dude, he said, alright, since I share with you to get the last paycheck Friday, dude, you now go back at the house Friday. So guys, Mark friend book his plane ticket to go back to Jamaica. So when Friday come now, guys, Mark no go home. Mark get him pay and Mark no go home because Mark a plan to go back to Jamaica. Well, I wonder where Mark there, you know, how Mark no come. Late, Mark no come. So the girl call Mark friend now to the boss when he work for the Jamaican dude and say, where is Mark? He hasn't come home as yet. He said, I don't know, he left to go home long time. Then Mark friend say, I tell no, because Mark there yard. Call her friend, asking her, have you seen Mark and all that? The girl said no, but the girl already know that Mark was going to leave. Only Jillian alone never know what going because she have planned for them to come hold Mark and deport him. And Mark smarter than that. Mark a good thing, but a good thing the friend did tell Mark because Mark would have gotten deported. So long story short, Mark come back at Jamaica and guess what now, guys? 2 days after, Mark called her. Mark was like, you bitch, you tried to deport me. You think me never know you look a dirty plan? You think me don't know where they up to? After me there America, I pay your mortgage, I pay your bill, I take care of your promise you're gonna marry to me. And my girl, me never know say I say you're wicked. Me never know say I say you're wicked, my girl. And she was like, baby, that's not true, baby. I didn't, who told you that I was gonna make them deport you? Who told you that? I wouldn't do that, baby, I love you. Mark said, go love yourself. I hung up the phone. Yep. I heard this story, I had to laugh because I'm like, wow, she was planning for Mark, but Mark planned for her instead. Oh my goodness, wow. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this story. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, stay safe. If you got a like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, share the video with your family and friends. And guess what, guys? Stay tuned for more because there are more stories coming. Bye, guys. So we stopped because Juna heard a sound in the car. He's not sure if it's our car, so he's just checking the logs. Close the door, guys. Put on back a seatbelt.